Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your DOOGEE T20. So in the default state of your device, and there is no Google Lens feature, so we have to do it by the web browser. Now in the first step, go to the google.com like here, and it's a very important step and it's necessary, so don't forget about that. Click on the three-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the files and choose the photo that you want to search in Google, like this one. Click done and hold for the starting automatically now, and now we are looking for the similar or exactly same photo in the Google image database. You can see it is the exactly same photo. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.